Hello, my name is Phil Barfirst. Today we're going to be talking about the Manrose CQF100mm extractor fan. We will also be looking into compatible ducting and vents. Designed for wall and panel mounting, the Manrose Quiet Fan offers a low sound level of only 27 decibels. This comprehensive range is ideal for bathrooms and toilets. The unit also comes complete with a performance enhancing turning vane system located in the spigot to improve performance by maintaining a high output. High quality, long life motors, continuously rated and warranted for a minimum of 30,000 hours or 3 years. For a typically sized family bathroom under building regulations, the recommended extraction rate is 15 litres per second. With an impressive extraction rate of 75 cubic meters an hour, which is 21 litres per second, and low energy motors with a maximum consumption of 7 watts. Manrose CQF100 is definitely a good extractor fan to consider. For best performance, Manrose CQF100 should be ducted out through the wall. Please find the links for products mentioned in the description below. Here we have a 100mm diameter and 350mm long pipe. That should be enough for most through the wall applications. There are a variety of grills available in our range to suit any exterior design. When it comes to choosing a vent grill, there are a few things to consider. For the least resistance, best airflow performance, a louvered grill vent is the best option. If you are worried about backdraught breeze coming back into the building, a gravity grill could also be a good option. If you are installing into a very windy side of the building, we recommend to use a cowled vent instead of a gravity grill vent. That still has a damper that is protected from the wind by the cowl. Manrose CQF100 comes complete with an integral backdraught shutter. For that reason, you don't need to worry about any backdraught breeze coming back into the building. It's not recommended to use long duct runs with a Manrose CQF100 extractor fan. If you are ducting it through the ceiling, make sure your duct run does not exceed 2 meters in length. Please note, any bends incorporated in your duct run will reduce airflow performance further. If you have any further questions regarding your installation or your requirements, please call our technical line, who would be happy to help you. For more information, visit us online or call now